Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the difficulty of the root on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, go to the root icon next to the home button at the lower bar on the screen and click to the filter option at the upper side of the page. Here you can find the second section, the difficulty, and you can select easy, intermediate or expert, and if you want to enable one, just click to the next white square, for example the easy, and if it will be green, this function will be enabled and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.